with wetlands, property setbacks, and also what the building permit requires. We put a pool in, and from there, that would determine how large and how round the deck was going to be. And working with the client, they talked about what their needs were, and we were able to craft something that would actually work for them. It fully encompasses the side of the swimming pool, giving you full access to basically get wherever you want to. We have our sonotubes, or piers, what they would call them. They require a 6x6 standoff base. We use a 6x6 pressure treated post, and we do a little detail of creating what's called a bird's mouth. And that creates a pocket for our dimensional framing lumber to sit on. We install bolts bolted together, and then we follow that up with our joist seam tape, so that we don't allow any water to get down between the boards and rot them out. This creates a great foundation for our floor joists, and then we follow it up with bracing, so that by the time we're putting our deck boards on, this deck is going to look absolutely gorgeous from afar when you come up and be able to enjoy it for the rest of the summer and many summers to come.